What'd you find there? Hmm? Huh? What is it? What is it? It's your friend, the dishwasher. Hey. There's nothing there. It's clean. It's clean.
Not my problem.
Ah, Maggie.
You good?
What do you think? Second time's a charm, right? All right, here's the plan.
There's nothing left though. I don't know what you're looking at. Hmm?
Let's do this.
Alright. Let me clear it. Oh, let me clear it up. It's nothing. There's nothing in there. What are you looking at? There's nothing in there. Hmm? See? Nothing. Nothing. Have you finished inspecting it? Yeah? Okay, done. Come on, out. Oh. No, you don't go in. You don't go in. Alright, that's it. That's it, Maggie. Come on. Farad. That's enough. That's enough. Alright. That's enough. Okay, on your bed. On your bed. There's nothing there. Maggie. Maggie, come on. On your bed. Maggie. On your bed. Away. Okay. Alright. Done. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. But you would just like sleep in there, hey? Alright, it's I don't know what you're looking at, Maggie. I don't know what. Come on. Alright, done. Let mommy load the dirty dishes in. Out. Out of the kitchen. Maggie. 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 Out. Maggie. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. I don't know what you're looking at. Oh, you can see the fly raisin, eh? Do you just want to focus on the fly raisin? Okay, come on. Out of the kitchen. Out of the kitchen. Come on. Off. Come on. No, no. It's too long. Maggie. Come on. Come on. Okay. Close. 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 Maggie. Oh my God. Close. Maggie. There you go. Done. Thank you.